You think that's from Dio? Why don't you open it up and read it?
Santa?
I don't know.
Jerry.
I don't know. What's it say?
We're going to do fun.
Okay.
Figure out why I miss you so much.
Oh. What's it say?
Hi, Alex. Guess who misses you?
Oh. Who misses you?
I knew it was Dio.
Was it Dio?
Hmm? I do. I hope you miss me too. I hope that school is going well and that you're having lots of fun, 'cause you're not here. I love you, and I can't wait to see you in a few weeks.
He's coming up.
All of my friends here can't wait to meet you when I visit. Love you, Uncle Dio.
Oh. You miss Uncle Dio?
Wait, right here I thought this was the name. I thought it was Daniel.
Can you send him a kiss?
He already did send me, and I sent him.
There's a kid. I'm recording this, Dodo.
Oh.
Okay.